the thing which is going to bring the owners more efficiently and effectively and perhaps permanently into the driver's seat with all this is going to be the digital twin. Because heretofore, every BIM study we do, we say, how often does the owner ask for a BIM model? Well, 30% of the time, maybe 40% of the time. And then what do they do with it? No idea. Then we ask owners, what are you doing with that BIM model? We have it. Long pause.
Yeah.
But, we can't open it anymore because we don't have that version of Revit or whatever it is, and it's like, now, right, with the growth of this idea of the digital twin, that becomes something. And again, that's just borrowed from every other big industry. Airplanes have been using the concept of digital twin forever because they need to know every single operation of every single little gear on that thing while it's in flight, dude, because you got 350 lives at stake, sport. You better know, right? That's just, table stakes, lunch to them. Now we're sort of discovering it in this industry, but I think that's what that's going to do is it's sort of three trends we're seeing. One is it's giving owners a reason to care about data. All right. Everybody loves to talk about data right now. Oh, data. Again, using that superintendent analogy. You walk up to a superintendent at 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning. Dude, you want some data? I know up here in New York, but they tell you, hey, do this with your data.
Yeah. Yep.
Right. But now there's a reason for it. And there's a reason for clean, accurate, complete, and consistent data. Right? Which technology can provide. If it's organized in that way from day one, it'll basically populate your digital twin for you with no extra lift. Having been in that world of trying to put the handover package together at the end of a job, along with the client, along with the contractor for the client, it's a heavy lift. It's never complete. It's horrible. For something to do that for you seamlessly in the background as you're going and build that digital twin. And then the owners got that basically to put into their portfolio of digital assets and manage their assets digitally. That's a beautiful thing. And we're getting closer and closer to getting there. The second thing that's happening as a result of that we're seeing is we used to do maybe one owner study every 3 years. We've now done 5 in the last 12 months. Everybody's looking at what that owner's saying and thinking and doing, right?
Yeah, it's like the safety movement, right, Steve? It's like we're seeing this too. I and Jacob, where am I going to go? What am I going to say? We've started saying, yeah. So, Steve, I'm going to introduce you to this, and since you're with Dodge, maybe I can get it to stick. I look at this as a data twin for the same reason as you call it a digital twin, because in Boeing, right? Boeing's got some other people, right? But it's their ecosystem, right? It's theirs. And since our ecosystem is so diverse, but then our buildings that when we're complete live inside of some other world, right? A smart city, hopefully someday, which was a big hype curve and is a big bottom out, and we'll get back. I've got this data twin because you said it right. It's this constant stream. But you hit 3 things separately that I'm just going to combine that I thought were awesome, because you said it's got to be organized and clean.
Yeah.
And complete.
Yes.
And the key to organized, clean, and complete is fully and cohesively implemented, which you said, software. It has to be purchased and implemented, not just in this job or that foreman